Okay, so for number 3, I'm going to draw this out to help to visualize this a little bit better. So we have a normally distributed curve between, it says 6 to 10 minutes. So let's have 6 here and 10 here. The distance between 6 to 10 is 4 units, right? 10 minus 6 equals 4. But this is 6 standard deviations, right? So what we need to do is divide 4 by 6 to get what each standard deviation would be. So when we do that, it's going to be 0.666 repeating, but I'm just going to leave it at that. And we need to figure out what the mean is, but that's not too difficult because the mean is going to be in the middle of these 2 points. The middle of these 2 points is 8. So 8, this is going to be our mean. Okay. And now they're asking us to calculate the probability of assembling a product between 7 to 9 minutes. So 7 is going to be here, and 9 is going to be here. Let me use a different color pen, because I think that will help. So we are trying to find this right here, this area right here. This is our standard deviation. This is our mean. This is the area that we're trying to figure out. So we can use the norm.dist function on Excel. Let me just move this up so you can see that. Okay. So we do equals norm.dist. The first value that we need is our x value. We're going to use the larger value, 9. And then we need our mean, which is 8. Then we need our standard deviation. So I'm just going to put 4 divided by 6 because you want to have that whole number in there. I'm not going to round it. So just do 4 divided by 6, comma, 1. We always use 1 or true for this class. And we need to subtract by the smaller number. So we're going to do minus norm.dist. And we're going to do 7, comma, 8, the mean, 4 divided by 6, and 1. We always use 1 or true. And when you plug this whole entire thing into Excel, you're going to get 0.8664. So the answer here would be B. And really quickly, just to go over this in a little bit more detail, the reason that you subtract the larger number by this smaller number, right, this 9 minus this 7 and this norm.dist, is that if you were to calculate just this, let's say we're just taking a look at this right here, Excel gives you the area to the left. It automatically calculates the area to the left. So if we were to do this, we're going to get this whole area right here, right? All the way up to here, right? All of this. If we want to stop right here, we want to get this area, we have to subtract out this area, right? Right here. So the way that we would do that is we would take norm.dist of this 7, and this would give us this area. And that's why we'd subtract the 2, because this minus this gives you this area. I just hope that explains it a little bit better on why we subtract the 2 numbers. I used to do SI, and a lot of students were confused on why do we subtract the larger number by the smaller number. And it's because when you do that, it's giving you this area in between. because once you get this whole area from 9 all the way to the left, you need to then subtract out this area from 7 to the left to get this area.